Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use Names. Today I'll discuss about Misaligned or Misaligned or weird looking text in printer. Weird looking text in printer. Part 1. This is an issue specific. This is an issue specific to inkjet printers. Specific to inkjet printer. Many modern inkjet printers don't have permanent print heads. Don't have permanent print heads. While instead every time you put in new cartridges, you are also replacing the print heads. While this means you are always starting with clean nozzles. It also means you need to calibrate the print heads. Calibrate the print heads. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.